today's messages from the divine angels are, आप कहीं ना कहीं रुक जाते हैं मदद मांगने के लिए, तो आपको किसी से मदद मांगने में हिचकना नहीं है, कहीं भी संकोच नहीं करना है, खुले मन से आपको मदद मांगनी है. Angels are there to help you. Yes, don't be shy. Don't crock yourself into the shells. Don't put yourself into the shells of your own beliefs where you believe there is no one to help you or there is no one who is going to help you. Everyone is there to help you. You need to just ask for that help. Go ahead. This card says that. Today's number 1 card. Followed by the second card of today. This is communicate clearly. What does this say? This means you are somewhere blocked in the chain of communication, where either you don't know how to communicate, or once again you are locking yourself behind the doors and you aren't communicating clearly. You are confused somewhere. If you don't know, ask the guidance from the elderly people who are there around you. This is the guidance that I'm getting from the angels. Go and ask, how should I communicate this? They will say you have to communicate clearly. This is the second guidance of today. And the third card of today, that shows a clear message from the angels. That is, don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. And don't stop. No, no, and no. Go and walk your paths. Go continuously and walk your paths fearlessly. Angels are there to hold your hands and to make you walk through your paths. They are always safeguarding your paths. Don't stop your paths. Don't stop walking. जहाँ आप रोक देते हैं खुद को, जहाँ चलना ही रोक देते हैं आप, तब वहाँ रास्ता कहाँ से बने आगे का आपका? क्या आपको कुछ दिखेगा अगर आप कहीं रुक जाएंगे तो? अगल बगल में वही दिखेगा जो उसके अगल बगल है. अगर आप आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे तो आपको रास्ता कहाँ से दिखे आगे का? नई सीमाएं, नई मंजिलें, जहाँ आपको नए युगांतर के नए रिकॉर्ड्स बनाने हैं. तो अगर आप रुक गए तो आप कहाँ से बना पाएंगे? तो डिवाइन एंजल्स का गाइडेंस यही है कि रुकिए मत. जहाँ आपका मन कहता है कि रुक जाओ, समझ लो वहाँ रुकना नहीं है, वहाँ से आगे बढ़ना है. ये सिर्फ एक मन का विचार है और कुछ नहीं. रियल पाथवेज आर ओपन फॉर यू. ये सिर्फ आपका मन का एक दरवाज़ा है जो बंद है, कह रहा है रुक जाओ. बाकी divine angels are calling you, come, walk your pathways and have your new journey set. Angels are waiting for you to welcome you. ये आज का संदेश है. These are the divine messages from the divine angel oracles. Angels communicating to you for your question that you have asked today. To book your readings, DM on the numbers shared on the screen. Thank you. Infinity Healings bidding you bye-bye for today.